This is quarantine content. Mic test, are you there?
Yep.
Okay, now since Mike is there, I want you to go down first, like and subscribe, and comment. Your likes will give me,
Well, your likes will keep Mike here.
Your likes will keep Mike with me all the time.
And not the products.
And not the product.
Sure.
And not the products.
Okay, a quick question before we start. Is this yours? Okay, let's move on to the unboxing. Forget about it.
Thank you. So basically, yet again, another product I'm not able to say it's mine. If you want to sponsor me, you can always comment below. I appreciate great sponsorship. This is Nintendo DS.
Dude, you can literally read it's Nintendo Switch.
Nintendo Deluxe.
Again.
I call it a day.
Alright.
See, Nintendo Deluxe.
But how about the title would say Nintendo Switch Trash Unboxing? Okay, Iqbal.exe is not working.
Error 404. So basically, I'm just unboxing this good Nintendo Switch that I have here on my hand. It's really nice that I've seen. This is how the boxing feel is, with two Joy-Cons here, one of the Nintendo DS, the main product here.
Switch. Remove.
No, it's not Switch, it's DS. Like
Switch.
I said, Deluxe.
Switch.
So I'm taking this out like normal human being will. I guess so. Just, putting it things here and not being, overly trashy. And then...
The whole...
No. Just kidding. I'm just still very, very good person. Or am I? Comment down below, let me know. Alright, so since everything is out of the box, I'll go down and
Comment by yourself.
comment by myself. This is Nintendo.
That's the docking station.
I thought it was DS.
Switch.
It was DS. I just read. It was.
Switch.
No!
Switch.
No!
It reads Switch. So read it.
Nintendo.
Switch.
No!
It's okay, Ball. Move on.
Okay.
There's no forever.
No forever. Just like. Anyways, so this is one of the best product that I will say. Type C. Check here to know what I mean by that. Very cool. Everything aside, I will bring out Joy-Con, Nintendo
Dog, I guess,
Switch.
Finally, you learned it. You moved on.
And this is HDMI. I mean, nobody cares about HDMI these days. It's always about Chromecast. Is it?
Casting.
And this one here is just like what we used to have in the Philippines, or like just like what we used to have in Wii, Nintendo Wii. So you can basically put your strap here, and you can put the Joy-Con in one side here. I don't know what side of Joy-Con it is. Right side, I think it's going to be left. You can put the Joy-Con here. You get the idea.
Sure, Iqbal. How about let me help you out?
No!
Okay, you do it then. People want to see it.
People just cringy. Here.
Ligo.
So this is how basically you play. Amrit, you should know how. Okay?
Hindi. Pwede rin tig-isa?
Oh,
Listen.
Okay, Summer's not gonna go legally go. He's gonna stay.
Uh,
Got interested.
we glitched Amrit.
Amrit.exe start working.
Alright. Thank you. So same with the other Joy-Con, so you can use this. The idea is similar, you know, by now. This one here, I'll just simply take it out.
Oh, cut the chase. I want to see Switch.
I thought it was all about Switch. Alright, so since everything is already done, let me put the Joy-Cons first and the
Switch.
joystick.
Oh, okay.
So I can basically, you know, play. Nintendo Switch. Or like what they say, I don't know.
Switch.
It was DS like 30 minutes ago.
Yeah, for you, but it has been Switch for everyone else.
So this is Nintendo Pad. It's Nintendo iPad, right?
No, it's Switch.
Still Switch. I'm so disappointed. So this is basically a Nintendo dock, and it's a Nintendo Switch, which I have, you know, just put. I have no
So
really.
dock is used to play or showcase games on a screen, on a TV screen. But if you want to play a game on the go, you can take out the Switch and play with anywhere else. Just like PSP days.
Oh. So basically, this is like big PSP
Yeah.
with the external Joy-Cons.
Yeah.
Oh. Huh. I was like, this is like DS. But it's more like PSP. Time flies, who knows? Comment below. Let me know. This here, Type-C. I mean, if you still don't know what that is, you have to check it out. Man, I've been, you know, talking about this internal joke that we have about Type-C. So one of the greatest thing about Switch is that this is a switch lock that you can press and bring out the switches. So the switches or the switches.
It's Joy-Con.
Was it a switch?
The console is Switch, but the thing you're holding is Joy-Con.
Oh, okay, so this is Joy-Con. How Joy-Con looks?
It makes sound of Switch though.
Oh yeah. So this is like basically how the sound will. How it sounds. See, this is what I was talking about. It's all about Switch,
Okay,
not DS.
finally you learned.
This is Switch. So, like, you know, great words of Nintendo DS. Every Switch is a DS. What is this?
It's a kickstand.
How do I do that?
Yeah, there you go.
But this is so clumsy. So basically, you were asking me to play like this.
Yeah.
And everything intact.
No. With your friends, take out the console. You both can play together.
So like this, I can play it this way too?
Yeah.
Huh.
Mind blown.
I thought I had one. If I had one, I would have...
But here's the thing.
Already have
Let
it.
me ask you the best question. Do you even have a friend to play with? Iqbal.exe stopped working again.
Friend not found. I mean, it's a quarantine thing, so I don't have any friend at the moment with me, but...
Do you even have online friends?
Too much. Breaking my heart.
It's okay.
Okay, so basically, for example, if I have two friends that I want to play with them, so I will just simply give it to them, and I'll be on the sidelines again. Just like, you know, this. I have two friends playing together.
And what are you doing? Here we go again.
So, you know what? I'll just simply watch this thing. Okay, so let's play, man. Let's play.
Okay.
Let's play. Here. Huh.
Yes, sir. Don't make none.
So, Mike is still here with me. You want to see Mike? No. Maybe sometime other. Mike is here in our hearts. Serious note, go down below, subscribe. Hit the bell button if you want to see more quarantine content like this ones or these ones. You gotta like. Go ahead, do it right now. I'm waiting. We need your likes, and that's how YouTube algorithm knows that this video is worthy. Still, I will see you in the next one. Peace.